Termination of modular patch panel. First, tools introduction. To terminate the modular patch panel, it needs Cat5e twisted pair, Cat.5e modular patch panel, module, label paper, small cable tie, label cable ties, wire stripper, nozzle pliers, slip joint pliers and label pen. Step 1. View the drawing requirements. Mark the cable type and port, according to the requirements of the drawing. Step 2. Strip the wires. Use wire stripper to strip the outer shape of the twisted pair about 40 mm, and cut off the tear wires. Step 3. Arrange the wires. Untwist 4 twisted pairs and arrange them in parallel, according to the T568B standard. Arrange the wire sequence from left to right and straighten them. Step 4. Cut the wires. Use nozzle pliers to cut the wire core diagonally to about 35 mm. Step 5. Thread the wires. Arrange the wire cores according to the color code of the wire cover, T568B. Straighten them and pass them through the small holes of the wire cover. Use nozzle pliers to cut the excess wires. Step 6. Install the wire cover. Place the cut wire cover vertically on the module port, and use wire cutter to press the wire cover down. Step 7. Install the module. Install the module in the corresponding port, according to the requirements. Then fix it on the patch panel with a cable tie. Step 8. Make the labels. Make labels based on the installation position and port. Now, the termination of the modular patch panel is completed.